Can we skip to the good part?
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be starting a little bit of a series, I guess you can call it, where I'm going to be making over several little pieces of clothing or accessories. Today's video is going to be me making over a pair of boots. These are faux leather boots, very cheaply made, but I've had them for a really long time and I love these boots. The leather, or the little plasticky fake leather, is starting to peel and rip. I didn't want to get rid of these completely because, you know, I didn't want to give them to the Goodwill because they are not really good enough for somebody to even buy used. They were going to end up going into the actual garbage, which I didn't want to have to do. And again, like I said, they were a favorite of mine. So I decided to try to make them over into something else, which you'll see how it looks in the end if you're interested. So here I'm just showing how the boots looked beforehand with the little pieces ripping off around the ankle area. Like I said, I did decide to salvage them. So I'm just going to cut off this top part right along the top rim of the lower foot portion of the boot. And then I'm taking out this grommet set that I purchased. I bought these to update a bag that I had, and I didn't have really a purpose for these grommets after the fact, but they have been coming in handy so well with other projects that I've been loving them. So I'm using those to add these holes to different areas of the shoe. So I'm just making the holes using the grommet kit. And then adding the gold pieces. And I did have to sew up the sides of the zipper so that the zipper doesn't slide right off of the track. I went to Joann and I purchased this gold chain as well as these little gold clamps. And I'll string this chain through the grommet holes and then attach it at the back with the clamps. And this is how the boot to shoe transformation turned out. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was inspirational. I hope it was entertaining, if not anything else. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.